with no divide to block the view. My concentration was in jeopardy. Had to head up north. I went looking for you.
Just me now. We got off to an early start, made a couple of stops, and have arrived at our first dive spot of the day, right on time. You guys have already suited up and jumped in the water. I can see some other bubbles floating up next to the boat right now. And it's my turn just to sit and enjoy myself. And while it's probably absolutely stunning under the waves, it's also pretty nice here above the waves. Just chilling alone with my big thoughts. Keeping an eye on things.
What did you get? Fuck that!
Yeah! All right, dinner. That's amazing.
God.
Woo woo.
Yeah. Jimmy doesn't have a shark shield. Let's see how he does.
It's amazing how well that thing works.
Shark shield.
To block the view.
We're worried that Jimmy, first of all, is going to run out of air, and then he's going to have to worry about coming up too fast, nitrogen. And I'm secondly worried he's going to run my tank dry, and then we have to pivot again. Then I left him down there with a nice big bull shark to try to eat the stringer.
In the way that love is still, had to cut in line. I was a traitor for you. This conversation gets the best of me. Slippery slide. Steep avenue.
And that's it.
Couple hogfishes. Nice size too.
Fish are a little bit smarter. Oh, that's a nice fish, Jamie.
Hey, nice fish, Jim.
Nice.
Yeah, you guys got to see a big bull shark? Lucky.
I did not. David did.
I saw a big old Goliath grouper completely turned camera.
Yeah.
Goliath grouper.
Goliath. First stop was a success. We have many hogfish and still a beautiful day out, so probably just the beginning of what is a very successful fishing trip. And we're at the second spot. Second of the day. First one, big hit. Lots of success. Second one, hopefully the same thing. We'll see. So let me give you a little tour of my crib. It's pretty luxurious. What you've got behind me here is Grand Control Station. This is my snacking station. Got an apple here. Lounging deck. Also good for the occasional nap. All right, here's the fridge and kitchen. It's here. Cold storage and refrigeration. Beer. The lounge. The lounge is the top of the kitchen. just sun yourself, get a little bit of a tan. Although I'm not super into the tanning thing. So right here, nice shady area. I hide out in the shade. So that's my cribs episode. Voila, hope you liked it.
So we had a beautiful dive down there. She's a pretty hogfish. See, look at that. Diving.
Well, you might have noticed that I had an outfit change. Yep. Just getting back on the boat. People came by and I haven't been pooped on by a seagull in a long time. So, yeah, laid one right down my arm. They're right there. Successful day. Very successful day. We hit 3 spots. Number 1 was a big winner. That's where we got most of these beautiful hogfish. The second one, gorgeous but mixed bag of luck. Scott was the big winner. Number 3, crowded spots. A lot of evidence of other people fishing there. Means it's a no-go. 2 out of 3, not bad.
Woo! Look what I got! Yeah!
No joke.
It's no joke. Fish taco time.
Whew.
Kellie.